All right, today we're going to bring a seat for your bike, an upgrade for your bike. Now, this one comes with a cover for rain purposes, and this is a smaller seat, but it's larger than what you probably have right now currently. Now, the best thing about it, it has an LED light in the back. You can hit the button. It's a solid light right there, flashing light. You keep hitting it, slower flashing light, and then it's off. Now, it does have shocks, if you guys can see it, very strong shocks that it has. They're made of rubber and easy to replace because they give you the actual tools. All right, we set up the seat. The cushion looks good. I like the center piece. I like that cushion. It's a lot smaller, but very comfortable. Very, very comfortable, especially on the edges here. And the light is a plus. Once in a while, replace the batteries. Very simple. It will last you for a long time, just as long as you remember to turn it off and continue to ride it safe. So hope you guys enjoy the video.